Alright guys, I'm doing a quick video here, recipe. So, I have this caspa tabbouleh. Basically, it is couscous, but it's flavored couscous. Take a look at the ingredients right here. If you guys can read that. So it has like tabbouleh flavored already. I got a can of salmon. So this is their wild salmon that you can get at any grocery store, and I've got some organic grill super greens, so I'm gonna actually cook it together, and then I'm actually gonna put some stew to make it all blend pretty well as well. So I have some chili sort of stew, and then I'm gonna put it with that as well, so it'll all turn out pretty good. So I'll be right back, stay tuned, and I'll show you what the end result looks like and do a quick taste test. Alright, so here is the tabbouleh. As you can see, it comes in the package, it's all seasoned, ready to go, so I'm going to be putting into a little bit of beef stock there, and then I'm going to cook it up, and I'll be right back. So I've decided not to use the stew because it's already flavored, so I'm going to actually just put in the greens and then just use the salmon in there, so just give me 1 minute. Alright, so it's all done. As you can see, the canned salmon's there, the tabbouleh's all set, and let's do a quick taste test. It's quite good. You get the flavor of the salmon, and some of the tabbouleh is in there, and then you get I put some green beans in there. Yeah, it works out really good, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. The greens make it nice and flavorful as well.